some new wax to go through, and then we will go through this month's curated box. So it's been a minute since I've gone live, so I might be a little rusty, but the content is still going to be the same. So hello and welcome. I'm Rebecca, and if you're new, thanks for being here. Welcome. All right, so I got 4 bars. One of the bars is from the July Bring Back My Bar, which is the apple parsley. And then there was a bundle, and I believe it's sold out, but you can still add these to your club. So let's start off with apple parsley. This one is going to be apple parsley and green herbs. So let's see. Oh, this is nice. I do get more of the herb on the bottom of your bar here. This is pretty. I do get the apple. This is much better than what I thought, so I'm glad I grabbed this bar. Scentsy brings back fragrance bars every so often. This year we're doing it a little differently, and I kind of like it because it's not so overwhelming. I don't feel like I am having to warm all of the bars like together. I can, you know, warm some of my bars that are recent or in my club or any of these. So I kind of like the way that they're doing this. And I believe there's going to be another installment like in August. And maybe September, I'm not sure. But apple parsley smells really good. All right, let's go with berry sweet. Now, this is older packaging. It does not have the fragrance notes on it, but it's still gonna be nice. These are all new fragrance bars for me. Okay, is it strawberry? I believe it's a strawberry. It does have a lot of that like waxy scent to it. I wouldn't say it's a true strawberry fragrance. It's like a synthetic. I don't know. We'll see. I'll warm it. I don't know. All right. Next one is a berry tart. And if you are watching me live, feel free to ask me questions, engage. That kind of helps out the algorithm. Anytime you comment on a post or share it, it helps the creator. So do your part and I'll do mine. Okay, this is a bakery bar, but I like it better than the berry sweet. This is rich. I get that crust. I really do. Yeah, berry tart. That would make sense. Very nice. I like that. I might put this one now in the open concept because I have to change out. Well, I changed out my wax, changed out a warmer. So go in those stories. You'll see which warmer I took out. So I have to put some fresh wax in there. I think I'm going to do the berry tart. All right. Last one here is sugar plum berry. And it has on there Scentsy Club. So interesting. That's probably, maybe this was an exclusive bar at some point in club. I don't know. Sugar. And I've had sugar. What did I have before? It's like a fairy plum berry or something like that. I thought that's what this was, but it's not. Oh, this is pretty. I like it. This one is kind of like... Oh, I see a familiar face. I don't know. Oh, hello. Didn't want to say hello in case if you were, you know, at the JOB. Hello, Jorge. How are you? Jorge is one of our team members on the Butterfly Wax Gang, and he's doing amazing. He's thriving. So I'm just sniffing some fragrance bars. This is nice. I like this. I'm getting all these little pieces all over my table here. I decided to do this video here versus in the wax factory because I have a little more real estate to work with, and it's getting all the wax everywhere. This reminds me of that other bar, and I can't think of it right now. Maybe Dancing Sugar Plums? This is good. I think I'm going to hold on to this and warm this closer to Christmas time. It's just kind of giving me like Nutcracker vibes, but that was that. All right, so now I wanted to share with you all the fragrance whiff box here. I was trying to read Jorge's comment and talk at the same time. That is not happening. You do. Yes, you do. All the time. I used to do this all the time, and you know, life is lifing, so I'm trying to go back live. I love going live. The reason why I stopped going live was because it's only up for 30 days. But hey, you know, 30 days is better than 24 hours in the story. So, when you do go live, let me know. I'll come on and support you. All right, so this is our whiff box. If you're new to Scentsy, we have a curated box every month, and I usually partake in the whiff box because I love trying new products, and I love the exclusivity, and I kind of wish that they would have the whiff box purely exclusive, meaning the only way you get those products is if it's in the box. So I think maybe Owen, the owner's son, might be working on that, because I heard, that's kind of what I heard at conference. I did it virtually. So I don't know. They're trying to get more exclusive items with the whiff box. I think that would be amazing. So every month they do put a little insert. So this box says Grazie Sunshine. If I can read it, oh my goodness. As you get older, you might need readers. What does it say? The Mediterranean sun glitters on lapping blue waves and lingers on the skin. We've gathered the Italian coastal warmth of golden rays, sea air, ripe citrus, and wild florals in your July whiff box. It's a little taste of the La Dolce Vita just for you. So share your unboxing moment with hashtag Scentsy Whiff Box or tag Scentsy. So you get a cute little card. I really love the themes of these boxes now. It's like they really put a lot of thought into it. So if you haven't received the July edit, this is our warmer of the month, La Vita Rosa Warmer. And the fragrance is Limon Fresco, which smells delicious. And so here's some other products that they're highlighting in the July edit. My August edit should be coming soon, so make sure you know, follow me along. Now, I was going to say, this is kind of skimpy, but no. What do we have in here? Let's go in here, okay? So, Scentsy does put their wax bars in these bags with ice packs. So, it is melted, but I keep them. They're good, you know. If you have a headache, just pop it behind your back or, you know, your neck, whatever. Oh, I forgot. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. This is what I want to share with you all. The reason why I love the whiff box is the value behind it, and the exclusivity, like I said. Look at this. Look at this. It's bigger than my head. This is a pound of wax. This is what we call a Scentsy brick. The value is insane. A brick by itself is $24. I paid $17.50 for this box, all right? Normally it retails at $31.50 with a monthly subscription, which you can cancel anytime. This is a bar. Look at that. Look at the difference. 8 cubes versus, I think, 12. Yeah. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 cubes. You love you a brick. What is your favorite fragrance that you have tried in a brick? So there's a story behind Silver and Gold. This is a fragrance that our owner came up with, Heidi Thompson, and we got this in a whiff box, I think around Christmas time, and the whole whiff box was around Silver and Gold. So golden pineapple, sweet strawberry, and silver woods. This brick you cannot purchase on my website. It only comes in this box. So now they told us that this fragrance is going to be part of our core catalog. The pineapple. Oh, this smells incredible. Incredible. Oh, I'm conflicted. Maybe I need to warm this somewhere. Maybe I'll put some of this in the bathroom. Oh, so good. So you get a brick. We do have, I always want to say flavors. It's not flavors, skinny dipping, but you know, it's a club exclusive. That's right. I wax. But yeah, these bricks are usually available for club members. They're exclusive, and around Christmas time, usually we bring out bricks, but I haven't heard anything. Hey, moving on. You get a brick. That's a $24 value. You get a bar of one of my favorite new fragrances. This is locked up in my club, saltwater and saffron, lemon, saffron, and driftwood, and I just had this warming outside, on my warmer outside. Oh, I love it. This is either something you love or something you don't love. I enjoy it. So that's $30 right there. Water lily and bergamot, a room spray is going to come. This is all covered in one box. Like, it's not like, oh my goodness. All right, so this is water based. They're not oil based anymore, which is nice because then I don't have to worry about slipping and tripping. Water lily and bergamot. We've had this before. Oh, we've had this in laundry. I liked it in the laundry, didn't care for it in a wax bar, but I like this. So I can put this in my car because if you don't know, you don't know. I do use public bathrooms quite often. I'm always looking, where can I go if I need to go to the bathroom in a quickie, and then I can always have my spray. So make sure you carry a spray with you. So that's, I believe, a $9 value right there. And then lastly in the box, we have some pink coconut hand soap. And I love their hand soap. It's very nourishing, got a lot of vitamin E. And this, believe it or not, was just warming in the bedroom. I had pink coconut going. Remember I shared that bar? It was oily. That was pink coconut. So this is an older fragrance that I don't believe is in the core catalog right now. Jorge, let me know if it is. But I don't think it is. So this is pink coconut. What were the fragrance notes on this? I believe definitely coconut and some sort of like a fruity vibe. It was really, really pretty. So I believe our hand soaps are 10. So let's see. Now keep in mind, I paid $17.50 for this box. So this is 24 here, 10, that's 34, 6, that's 40. And then I believe this is 9. So if I did my math right, this is a $49 value box, and you can get it for $17.50 if you do have a club. I can go over that more with you. You get reduced shipping. It's kind of nice. And then you can always get your bars. But this box is only going to be available until the 31st of July. August 1st, we have a brand new box with brand new exclusivity, and this is kind of cool. So I just wanted to come on here and spend a little time with y'all, share part of my delivery. I didn't want to have this video too long because I know people's attention spans are really, really, really short these days with all of our reels. So this is the box, and if you have any questions, let me know.